veins. Feel the heartbeat of the island plains. Bassline shake the earth and sky. Jah guide me steps as I reach so high. The moonlight dance on the coconut tree. Waves crash soft like a sweet melody. Smoke rise high, spirits feeling free. Me say peace in my soul, come walk with me. Can't stop the vibes, the rhythm set me free. Drum and bass talk, it whisper to we. Jamaican sun bless the land and sea. Dancing at the moment like eternity. Me see the youth, them gather round the stage. Unity strong, we done turn the page. From Kingston town to a foreign age. The love we a bring can't lock in a no cage. Can't stop the vibes, the rhythm set me free. Drum and bass talk, it whisper to we. Jamaican sun bless the land and sea. Dancing at the moment like eternity. Me say rise up, feel the power of the sound. Roots dig deeper as the heartbeat pound. Reggae unify, say the world go around. Bless up the massive, now let no one drown. Me say rise up, feel the power of the sound. Roots dig deeper as the heartbeat pound. Reggae unify, say the world go around. Bless up the massive, now let no one drown. Bless the day, Him guide me steps along the way. Strong like the lion in a Zion I stay. Jah love surround me every night and day. Me feel the rhythm in my soul so deep. The bassline heavy make me heart skip a beat. The rhythm roll upon the ocean breeze. Jah power flow like rivers no cease. The chants echo through the hills so tall. Jah answer the prayers when me heart did call. The blessings fall like rain, heal the whole. Jah light work miracles for every soul. Jah rise the sun fi bless the day. Him guide me steps along the way. Strong like the lion in a Zion I stay. Jah love surround me every night and day. The thunder roll but me no fear no storm. Jah shield my spirit, keep me safe and warm. The fire blaze but me walk so calm. Him carry me through with strength in Him palm. Them whisper doubt but me trust Him plan. Jah give the power for me carry on. The earth, the sky and the life in man. All of them blessings come from Jah hand. Me feel the rhythm in my soul so deep. The bassline heavy make me heart skip a beat. The rhythm roll upon the ocean breeze. Jah power flow like rivers no cease. The chants echo through the hills so tall. Jah answer the spirit keep me safe and warm. The fire blaze but me walk so calm. Him carry me through with strength in him palm. The thunder roll but me no fear no storm. Jah shield me spirit keep me safe and warm. The fire blaze but me walk so calm. Him carry me through with strength in him palm. Jah Jah guide me fi trot pon the way. Rasta lion rise up, make we shout and pray. Fire burn Babylon, them can't hold sway. Roots and culture rise up every day. Wagwan pon the street, all a tumult and fight. The system corrupt, cause them blind to the light. Still Jah bless me soul with the power fi right. Fi chant down Babylon till we reach Zion heights. Still lift up with voice. Trotting through the buckle, we still rejoice. Me heart beat strong like bassline choice. Rasta vibes raise the world, make the people rejoice. The rhythm follow like roots in a soil. Me ancestors labored them blood, sweat, toil. Know the fire burn fierce, no time for recoil. Jah bring forth blessings for make nations oil. Rivers of wisdom flow deep in my veins. Guided by Jah, no mind the afflictions or pains. We chant with redemption in the midst of the chains. Struggles teach love, so only love remains. Still I lift up with voice. Trotting through the buckle, we still rejoice. Me heart beats strong like bassline choice. Rasta vibes raise the world, make the people rejoice. Wagwan pon the street, all a tumult and fight. The system corrupt, cause them blind to the light. Still Jah bless me soul with the power fi right. Fi chant down Babylon till we reach Zion heights. Still I lift up with voice. Trotting through the buckle, we still rejoice. Me heart beats strong like bassline choice. Rasta vibes raise the world, make the people rejoice. The rhythm me follow like roots in a soil. Me ancestors labored them blood, sweat, toil. Know the fire burn fierce, no time for recoil. Jah bring forth blessings fi make nations oil. Rivers of wisdom flow deep in my veins. Guided by Jah, no mind the afflictions or pains. We chant with redemption in the midst of